So every single year as we lead up into holiday season, Noonday will release a winter line, and it will contain some holiday decor, some year-round decor. This time around, we also have some men's items, even DIY craft kits. There's a lot of great gift items for others or things that you might want to get for yourself. So here we go. We're going to start with some of the year-round decor that I am super excited about. But first, I want you to close your eyes. Is that weird on a video? Just do it. Just close your eyes. Are they closed? And picture that you are walking through a Christmas tree farm where you're going to meet up with your best friend. And you have a bouquet of flowers for her. And she has your favorite drink, a hot, spicy chai tea latte for you. And then you come up to each other and you give each other the biggest hug. And it's the first time you've hugged her since March. And then you breathe in really deep. And what do you smell? You smell this candle. Okay, you can open your eyes. Maybe that was over the top, but seriously, the other ambassadors and I were putting our heads together thinking, how can we describe this? Because yes, it is a bright floral aroma with woodsy notes of cedar and cardamom, but really it reminds us of a chai tea latte, of walking in the woods, of fall or of Christmas. It is incredible. So I've been using it a lot already. This vessel is handmade in India, and so even once your candle is all burned out, you can clean it out and still make use of this. You could put some pins in there or use this in some other way. I just think it is so lovely and so perfect to go on my desktop. Another fun tabletop item is this sweet little ring bowl from Guatemala. You can see it has these great colors inside. It will be assorted. I just love that it brings a little pop of color. You can see some of the little bubbles in there. And it's just the perfect little size, either stand on its own or to have some small items inside. And it's a great price point as well for a great gift for somebody. Next up are these photo frames. So they are listed as an ornament because obviously they can be an ornament, but you can hang them anywhere, any time of the year. And they have this string here that's going to be assorted because this is made of recycled saris from India. So think about what you could put in this. Of course, you could put a photo in here, but some other ideas would be pressed flowers or leaves. Maybe it's a scrap of writing from a departed loved one. Maybe it is a favorite family recipe in your grandma's handwriting that you hang up in your kitchen. You could even put a gift card in here to hand off to somebody and make it a really special gift for them, or of course, a handwritten note for them. Okay, next let's look at some great leather products for the men in your life or really for anybody. Our men's line includes a DOP kit, a wallet, a passport cover, and a luggage tag. And so you will have your bases covered for those hard to shop for guys in your life. So at Noonday, we dipped our toe into some DIY craft kits several months ago, and they were such a success that Noonday's gone all in with some great options in our holiday line. First up is our batik dye kit. Batik dyeing is a method usually done on textile surfaces where they use wax and pattern areas to create artwork. So the wax will provide a barrier for the ink that you will drip on, and it will have this incredible globe pattern when you're done. Another great crafting kit is a DIY bracelet kit where you can make a Morse code message. So these beads are so special. If you've ever been to a Noonday trunk show, you know about our artillery beads, which are made of recycled bullets. So in Ethiopia, they take these things that were a tool of war and destruction, but they repurpose it. They put it through the fire and turn it into something beautiful that's a tool of empowerment for the artisans working with the materials. The artillery jewelry is just a Noonday classic, and now you get to make your own. This comes with an enclosed card that you can use to create a Morse code message for somebody. So special. And finally, take a look at our block printing kit. So it comes in this really great bag. And block printing is a tradition in India for treating textile surfaces. So these are hand carved out of wood. I mean, gosh, This is beautiful just as a decoration all by itself, but you can use these along with the paint. You can see my friend Melinda doing it on the screen. You can use this on fabric or to make something like homemade cards or decorate your wrapping paper, you name it. As you can see, our holiday line is varied, but it wouldn't be complete without a little bit of holiday decor. As always, we have some beautiful ornaments and garland, even a tree topper. I am so obsessed with these two little friends up here. They're here all year round. These are ornaments, and this is the unicorn and the sweet little llama. So they are best buds, and coming soon to my collection is going to be the lion to join the party. I hope you enjoyed seeing these gorgeous pieces and that you're inspired with some of your gifting for the upcoming holiday season. There's actually quite a lot more on my website that I didn't even show you, so make sure to click the button below and check them all out.